Hi friends, long time no see. It's Miss Julie back with another story time. I'm so happy you could join me today. Let's begin. You're so great, so please stand and give yourselves a great big hand. Clap your shoulders, clap your hair, clap your cheeks gently, and clap the air. Clap your elbows and clap your feet. Clap your pinkies and clap your seat. You're so great, so take a bow and sit right down on the floor now. Okay, before we start anything else, I think we need to get rid of those wiggles. We're gonna take our fingers and let's roll them like this. We'll go roly-poly, up, up, up. Roly-poly, out, out, out. Roly-poly, clap, clap, clap. Roly-poly, put them in your lap. And now we're ready to sit and listen to our first story. And this one's called Do Not Lick This Book by Idan Ben-Barak. And we have to remember never to lick a library book. And please keep your little fingers out of your mouths. This is being read to you today with permission from Macmillan Publishing. This is Min. Min is a microbe. She's small, very small. Can you see this dot? Microbes are so small that 3,422,167 of them could fit on it, give or take a few million. Microbes live everywhere, in the air, in your sock, in your intestines, on trumpets at the bottom of the sea, Antarctica, on elephants' knees, underground, on top of Mount Everest, inside this fish, in your breakfast, up Santa's nose, and just over there. Min lives in this book, and if you could look really, really closely, you'd see her. I'm bored. This is a photo of paper, really, really close up. Let's take Min on an adventure. See the circle on the next page? That's where Min lives. Touch the circle with your finger to pick her up. Min is now on your finger. Away we go. Where shall we take Min first? Take me to your teeth. Okay, let's go. Open your mouth and carefully touch your front teeth with your finger. Now let's look really, really closely. This is a photo of a tooth, really, really close up. Whoa, this place is weird. I'm Min. What are you guys up to? I'm Ray. We're digging cavities. Want to help? What a strange place teeth are when you look at them really, really closely. No wonder it's a good idea to brush them. It's time for Min's next adventure. Touch your teeth to pick Min up. Looks like we've picked up Ray as well. Where shall we go next? Would you like to visit a shirt, Ray? Shirt. All right, let's explore your shirt. Put your finger on your shirt to send Min and Ray on a new adventure. Now let's look really, really closely. This is a photo of fabric, really, really close up. I'm Min, and this is Ray. We're on an adventure. Adventure. Nice to meet you. My name's Dennis. We are making this shirt smell. What a strange place shirts are when you look at them really, really closely. No wonder they need washing. Now it's time for Min and Ray's next adventure. Touch your shirt to pick them up. Dennis has come along for the ride. We have time for one more trip. Where shall we go? Shall we visit a belly button, Dennis? What's a belly button? Okay, off we go. Put your finger in your belly button and wiggle it about. Now, let's look really, really closely. This is a photo of skin, really, really close up. Hello, we're Min, Ray, and Dennis. I'm Jake. Welcome. We don't get many visitors. Help yourself to a delicious chunk of dead skin. What a strange place skin is when you look really, really closely. No wonder it gets itchy. Put your finger back in your belly button to pick up Min and her friends. That was fun. Now I'd like to go back to my book, please. Can we come? What's a book? Let's put Min and her friends back in this book. Here's a good spot. There's plenty of room for everyone. Where will you take Min tomorrow? And that's Do Not Lick This Book by Idan Ben-Barak. All right, let's all do one of my favorite rhymes together. First time through, we'll practice. The second time through, I want you to give it all you've got. It goes like this. There's a poodle in a fuddle. That means he's confused. In the middle of a puddle. Will he step to the left? Will he step to the right? Will he stay in the middle until the sun shines bright? When the sun shines bright, will the puddle go away? It's called evaporation, folks. Will the poodle in the middle stand up and shout, hooray? Good. Now I bet the second time we can do it even louder. Let's try it again. There's a poodle in a fuddle in the middle of a puddle. Will he step to the left? Will he step to the right? Will he stay in the middle until the sun shines bright? When the sun shines bright, will the puddle go away? Will the poodle in the middle stand up and shout, hooray? Oh, good job, everyone. Okay, I'm going to draw a story for you now. And it's about a boy who lives in a big city. He lives in an apartment complex that looks just like this. And that apartment building is full of grown-ups, and nobody wants to play with him. So one day he decided to go out and look for some fun. So he went out the side door and he went around and he found the path and he followed it all the way until he got to a park where he followed the path all the way around a lake. Well, the water wasn't very deep and there was an island in the middle of that lake. So he waded across to the island and he played there all day. He climbed trees, he made forts, and he even chased squirrels. Until he noticed it was starting to get dark, and he thought, I better get home for dinner. So he waded back across through the water, and he started down the path. Only he wasn't quite on the path and bumped into a rock. He kept going a little ways further, and he bumped into a tree stump. And he finally got back to his apartment building, and he went to go in the front door. But he couldn't find his key. Can you help him find his key? Yes, there it is. Good job. Okay, it's time to get down on the floor, get your favorite grown-up, or if they can't get down on the floor, they can sit up in a chair and put you on their lap. Now I'm gonna need a friend. Maybe Yoshi? He's got a little bit of a floppy neck. We're gonna leave him in the chair. How about Max? Oh, he's a little tiny. Let's try somebody bigger. Let's see, maybe Goshy would like to play. Oh, Goshy Bear, you are a big boy. All right, are you ready? Let's begin. So we're gonna go down a smooth road. A smooth road, a smooth road, a smooth road, a smooth road. And then it gets a little bumpy. A bumpy road, a bumpy road, a bumpy road, a bumpy road. Then it gets really rough. A rough road, a rough road, a rough road, a rough road. Whoop, fell in a hole. Oh, goshy. Let's get back up. Oof. Now, how about this one? It goes like this. Jelly in a bowl, jelly in a bowl. Wibble wobble, jelly in a bowl. What can we do next? Oh, cookies. You like cookies, don't you, Gashi? Cookies in a tin. Cookies in a tin. Shake 'em up, shake 'em up. Cookies in a tin. Oh, was it your birthday last week? That reminds me. Candles on a cake. Candles on a cake. Blow 'em out. Blow 'em out. Candles on a cake. Oh, good boy. Give a little squeeze. All right, now maybe we'll do one of my favorites. It goes like this. This is the way the ladies ride from side to side, from side to side. And this is the way the gentleman rides from front to back, from front to back. And this is the way the pony rides. He fell in a hole. Oh, one more, Gashi. Okay. She fell into the bathtub. Woo. She fell into the sink. Whoa. She fell into the strawberry jam. Whoop. It came out pink. We took her in the backyard and put her in the rain. And by 1/2 supper time, it had washed her clean again. Okay, we'll do it once more. He fell into the bathtub. He fell into the sink. He fell into the strawberry jam. Whoop, and came out pink. We took him in the backyard and set him in the rain. Then by 1/2 supper time, it had washed him clean again. Give him a little tickle. Ooh. Give a squeeze too. Okay, friends, thanks so much for joining me today. I'm so glad you could be here. Let's say goodbye with a little rhyme. It goes like this. Tickle the clouds, tickle your toes, turn around and tickle your nose. Reach down low and reach up high. Story time's over, so wave goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. Hope to see you soon. Bye.